Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm actually wiping down the interior for the Equinox here. I said I've been driving this for a while now because I think my brother's he's not gonna want this anymore, so I'm probably gonna take over ownership of this. It's already paid off, so I'm just gonna have him transfer over the paperwork to me. But with that said, I've been wiping down the interior with Ethos Interior Detailer. I want to thank Tim. Actually, he sent this product out to me by accident. He actually sent me this and the gallon of it by accident. It was supposed to be their new interior, their fresh all-purpose interior cleaner, which he did make up for it because he did fix the order. And so I actually ended up with the interior detailer by accident and actually fresh, but this interior is not dirty enough to use that interior cleaner, so I will have to reserve that for a later time. But that should be going live, I think May 30th is what Tim was talking about. But this will be the perfect product to kind of maintain that surface after you deep cleaned it with fresh. So fresh is going to be in a dedicated interior cleaner. Think of it as a PNS interior cleaner. It'll be like that, and then this will be like Swift, right, where you would use your interior detailer to maintain your interior, to make it look nice, keep it dust free as long as possible. This, I believe, it doesn't look like it left any conditioned surface. It actually just looks real nice, because I already did that side of it. But it says cleans and protects all interior surfaces. And let's look at the directions here. I'll just read the directions here to you. Ethos Interior Detailer lightly cleans and protects interior finishes in one easy step. This non-greasy, streak-free formula provides UV protection and helps neutralize unwanted odors. There is no better or easier way to maintain a clean, crisp interior. Spray product directly under the microfiber cleaning towel and prevent unwanted overspray. Wipe the surface evenly and deliberately until desired cleaning finish is achieved. Remove any excess product with a clean and dry microfiber towel. For best results, use on lightly soiled surfaces. For deep cleaning, first use Super APC followed by Ethos Interior Detailer. And maybe this is where Tim might want to update the label here. Just rather than use Super APC, you use Fresh on there. So it might be something for Tim to look into as he's transitioning over to that dedicated interior cleaner. And it says safe for all interior surfaces, non-greasy factory matte finish, provides UV and odor protection, removes light dust, fingerprints, smudges, and grime. And again, if you want to go on the QR code, that takes you to the instructions. But again, it's an interior detailer, not super difficult to use. I think most of us have used interior detailer in our lives to know how easy it is to use. So I'm going to just go ahead and finish off this section here, which again has a real light layer of dust on here because I've primarily done all that. There's a little bit of dust in here. Not so much dust over here, but we'll still wipe this down. And I look like I left some smudges here on there. So all I'm going to do is take a spritz in there. I'll tell you what, the trigger that comes with it is not very good. I think we all know that. And so we're going to go ahead and just take this, and I'm going to just go ahead and wipe down the interior. And if you're working in the heat, just kind of be careful because the product does tend to kind of flash pretty darn quick. So you're gonna kind of want to have your towels prepped and ready. If you do get a little streak on there, just go over it real fast, flip over to a dry side, and then just clean it. But again, that's what the surface looks like now. It looks really nice, factory finish here. And again, if you wanted to, you can just come back with a nice a secondary towel. And this, again, I would just use that on the screen, and then I'll come back with a secondary towel and wipe it clean. So I had some smudges still left over because I didn't wipe them right. And you can see my button's really sensitive, and it doesn't leave any weird smudging on there. It's dust free and it's safe on your interior nav screen. So just go around your interior, and I'm actually just using these towels. Actually are for the ones from Harbor Freight. And again, I will just take this towel and I'll just add a little bit more because this trigger is not very good. It doesn't have a good spray pattern. And again, this little towel here, this dust right here, and then just wipe it down. You can see how it flashes off, and wipe off any streaks that you may have. So if you're working in direct sun like I am, you're going to want to move relatively quick. I'm getting this here. Fold this towel. Wipe the rest of it. This piece out real fast. Gonna clean this guy. So let me grab the stamp here. So we can get this wrapped in here. Let's do this by one hand here. So clean this guy pretty good as well here. So now I can pop this back into place. And I'm done. So that's the interior detailer. And I just kind of put these towels away. These towels are okay. They tend to unfold rather easily, which is what I don't like about these. They kind of remind me of the Creature towel from the rag company with the dual pile. So that has the fluffy side on here, and then on the other side it's got the low nap on there. So it kind of reminds me of the Creature towel, which I'm not a big fan of the Creature towels, but that's what they remind me of. But they're soft enough to not scratch up your interior, and it's perfectly safe. So that's it for the interior detailer here from Ethos. So if you guys are looking for another alternative to interior detailer, you know, just go ahead and give this a shot here. Maintains your OEM finish. I think this one actually, to me, it doesn't really look, I think it's just the interior here. To me, at one point it looked like it did condition the surface, but it doesn't. Again, it maintains that OEM matte appearance on here, which is really nice. Similar to like Pilot from Armor Detail Supply, where it kind of leaves that OEM matte finish. This smells great as well, has a coconut scent. So it does a good job maintaining your interior. So again, for those of you who are enthusiasts on here, perfect product to maintain your interior. You know, this or Pilot, it's a tough choice because I think they're both great products here. Just my initial use for this, it seems like a real good product here. Pilot's my #1 at the moment, and then I'm playing around with the Final Details one. That one to me seems more like DIY detail, where it will kind of add that conditioning effect to your interior. So if you like adding that conditioned look to it, then you want to probably use something like the DIY detail or the Final Details interior detailer. And again, if you want the more matte OEM appearance, you want to use this or Pilot. So again, if you want to try something different, maybe you run out, you use up your bottle of Pilot, you know, give this a shot, see if you like this one better. And then if you've already used this, go ahead and post down below. So again, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions on this particular product, go ahead and post down below. You know, Tim does watch the channel, so he will answer any questions if you guys have any technical questions on the product here. But it does work really well, works great, smells great. When my package arrived, I want to kind of just share this. When the package arrived here, the box, I could smell the coconut scent from the box. Again, this was in there with the gallon of product. It just smelled so good. So as soon as I opened it, I was like, wow, that smells really good. So they got the scent nailed down on here. They get the cleanability seems to be there, as far as like wiping up dust. No weird smudges on the nav screen. It's safe on nav screens, safe on cluster gauges. Clean the interior, or the steering wheel here, did a great job there. And one other place I kind of just was playing around with is if you have like a little bit of something on your seat here, all I did is I took the towel, the side that was damp, which is I think this side here, and all I did was just wipe down the seat, because this is a cloth seat. All I did was just wipe it down like this, and I kind of pulled up whatever was there. So works really good. I'm actually going to hit the floor mat here to kind of just wipe it down, and we're going to go from there. So if you have any comments or questions on this particular product, go ahead and post down below. Again, so far, real nice product here. So again, that's the Ethos interior detailer, and I wanted to share my first initial impressions of the product. I'll just go ahead and use it again because so far so good, and again, it smells really good. So again, thanks for watching. I will catch you next one. Take care, everyone.